Hello all, welcome to Jyotishi.com. If you're planning for a trip to South India, be sure to include the Kalahasti temple in your itinerary. The Shiva temple is located in Sri Kalahasti, Andhra Pradesh. The temple is located 36 kilometers away from the famous Tirupati temple. The king of Vijayanagara built this temple in 1516. The temple is one of the Panchabhuta Sthalas representing Vayu or wind. This temple is considered to be one of the historic temples of India. Featuring a Dravidian style of architecture, we can see the embellished gopurams with detailed carved interiors decorating the Sri Kalahasti temple. This temple is famous for worshipping Lord Shiva in the form of Kalahasteshwara. The Kalahasti temple is named after a spider, Sri, a snake, Kala, and an elephant, Hasti, who all worship Lord Shiva to attain liberation or moksha. It is also believed that the small hill nearby the temple is considered to be equivalent to Himalaya Kailas. Therefore, the Kalahasti temple is popularly referred to as Kailas of South or Dakshina Kailasam. At the Kalahasti temple, the Vayu Lingam is believed to be made of wind. The Lingam is out of bounds for tourists and priests. This temple has no windows, and the interesting fact is to see the Vayu Lingam move despite closed temple doors. The lamp inside the temple flashes despite restricted movement of air. The legend of Sri Kalahasti temple states that Lord Shiva, impressed by Lord Vayu's penance, granted him 3 boons. Lord Vayu asked for him to grant him universal presence to be a part of every living organism on the planet. He also asked the permission to rename the Karpura Lingam as Vayu Lingam. The other story states that Goddess Parvati performed penance at Sri Kalahasti temple to relieve herself from a curse. Appeased by Goddess Parvati, Lord Shiva recreated the goddesses at Jnana Prasum Ambika Devi. Saint Kannappa wanted to offer his eyes to hold the flow of blood from the Lord Shiva's lingam. Lord Shiva stopped him and granted him mukti. This temple is especially popular for performing Rahu Ketu Puja. Devotees across the country throng to attain the benefits of this special puja. Hope you liked our Kalahasti video. If you're planning to make a religious and spiritual yatra to the south of India, do consider the Kalahasti temple in Andhra Pradesh. Stay tuned for more temple histories from Jyotishi.com.